traders, I'm looking at the euro dollar. I'm going to go out to a weekly time frame and we'll do a quick top down. Alrighty, my bias with this is going to be short. We have these lower highs, lower lows on the weekly, and I'm thinking that the draw on liquidity would be these lows under here. So I'll just mark that up as a green zone, a support level. We'll do that. Alright, so we've got a potential target down here. I'm looking to short this. And there's a few things we'll just go through in the video here. With this, you can see this break of structure here, bearish break of market structure on the daily time frame. And lower lows, lower highs. Okay, so I'm going to run with the trend. If we do that, we're looking for, swing high, swing low, retrace, sell. Swing high, swing low, retrace, sell. That's the kind of thing. I've done a video on my strategy. If you go through the videos that I've uploaded here in Tradingview, you'll see them. So looking for a short now, we want to mark up potential target levels. So I'm going to look at these candle bodies on the left. We'll grab that. So there's a target. Yeah, I mean, this would be a target here. You go down to the lower time frame and that'll make sense. So we've got two levels, and then if we look further left, we've got this red candle here. I'm going to pick the low of that, pull that through, mark it up, and then when we go down the lower time frame, these targets will make sense. And then I'm going to grab this candle bodies that I'm looking at down in here, in this support zone, big level. Okay, that's my ultimate target. This is green zone. Okay, so we've got a bit of a roadmap now. Let's just look at potential resistance levels. Well, we've got these highs here. The next port of call is going to be, well, this red candle high. Yeah, I mean, we could pull that through. Okay, so there's a level. And then we've got this candle high here. Daily time frame. Yeah, here's the thing with this. Look at this retrace here. Look how deep that pulled back. So don't underestimate how far this thing can pull back. If we pick up a Fibonacci and we go from this high, we look at the swing, the 50 to 61.8 could be a thing. So you want to be a little bit careful. All right, so let's just mark up these highs here. We've got that marked up. We'll go down the time frame. We'll look at the 4H with everything marked up, and we're going to be considering this entire swing, this price swing here, and a pullback into the Fibonacci, high, low, Fibonacci 50 to 618, right? So if you're big money, and I'm big money, which we're not, I'm going to be looking to, sell when price moves into a premium and buy when price is discounted. So at the moment, this is currently trading under this threshold here, this 50% on the fib. Right, that's 50% of this price swing, this swing high, swing low, and we look at 50%. That's my threshold. So I'm okay to short it at the current level, but I'm just a little bit concerned that this could pull back a little bit further. Now, I'm just going to show you something that I've spotted on the chart. Whoops, hang on. I'll just delete that. This is important, guys. Okay, so we've got this fib 50 to the 61.8. We're looking at this price swing left down to the base here. Now, look at this. Have a look at this candle. See this red candle I'm marking up here? This thin candle, there's nothing left and right of it. If I pull that through to here, I'm going to mark that up, and we're going to call it, and we'll label it, okay, imbalance. So we've got this bearish imbalance that could be a target. And that coincides beautifully with the 50% fib midway through this imbalance, right? So understand that this could be a target, right? That could trade further up into this level, guys. Now you want to be really careful. So with that in mind, you could look, I mean, this could roll over. This could continue down from here. That's possible. So, I mean, I don't like chasing price, but you could sell at market. But I'm going to be pulling my stop loss above this value range. Have a look at this green candle. I'm going to pull that through. Let's just mark that up as a resistance. Where are we? There it is. All right, so there's a valid resistance level. This is value area through here. Slightly above, at the high of the range here. That's fine. It's quite a wide stop. And our target, the green zone, it's not a great risk reward. Let's just go out, scrunch it up and see what we've got left. All right, so we're going to have to look for maybe a little bit of a continuation with this. We've got these lows under here as well. Valid targets, I would pick these lows under here. And what does that look like? 1.8, something like that. Okay, that's reasonable, but I'm going with this wide stop in case this pulls back up, right? Now, you could, that's one way to approach this. So that's going in at market with a wide stop. Knowing that there's an imbalance rested above here, that's the reason why I would like to, you could pull your stop loss above the imbalance if you wanted to do that. That could be a thing. All right, so there's a 2.3, go for a 2.3R, something like that. Okay, what else can I say? Yeah, it's up to you, but there's two ideas for a stop loss. All right, my bias is short, and you could go down to a 15-minute and get a bit closer to this. You can see that this is starting to roll over here. We've got a break of structure on the 15M. All right, so that could continue down. That's the thing. It may or may not, but that's a possibility. So that's why I've already shorted this, and with a fairly wide stop. All right, it could trade further back. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. If I just go back to the 4H, that's my take on the euro dollar. Understand the risk. Don't go in with a huge position size. Keep it consistent. That's the secret. Is keeping your position size conservative and consistent in either dollar value risk or a percentage of your account. And that will help you manage your risk. All right, that's it, guys. That's my take on the euro dollar. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one. Leave a comment. Love to hear from you.